Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am telling you about how to fix a story not showing on Facebook. So guys, if you open your Facebook and facing the issue that stories are not showing or your story is not showing on Facebook, then guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. And after this you need to scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. And guys, after this here you need to find Facebook. And guys, after finding Facebook you need to click on it, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to update your Facebook. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store and search here Facebook. And guys, after searching here you need to click on Facebook and you will be find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated my app. So guys, if you have not updated your app, then guys, you need to update your Facebook from here. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this issue again, then guys, you need to open your Facebook app. And guys, after this you need to click on your main profile and click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this you need to click on privacy shortcuts, and you need to click on see more privacy settings and click on navigation bar. And guys, after this customize the bar. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here is the option of feed, you can see here. So guys, make sure that it is clicked on auto. So guys, if it is hide on your Facebook main profile, then guys, simply you need to make it auto. And guys, after making it auto you need to go back. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to see stories on your Facebook. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.